Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And we opened lower following the global cues. I would say today our market was resilient. And whether it is going up or coming down, it's just a slow grinding. And today, on close to close basis, Bank Nifty closed just 5 points higher. And in fact, today I think it is the 7th trading session. On a close to close basis, Bank Nifty did not move more than 100 points. Intraday moved, but on a close to close basis, Bank Nifty has been absolutely flat. I think all the people who have done 41,500 short straddle are making very good profit. But once again, Adani, went to lower circuit, and this month, Adani Enterprise, how many times it has gone to lower circuit and how many times it has gone to upper circuit? Just, I would say in just one word, is treacherous. And people who are trading in Adani group of stocks, it's a worst nightmare. It goes up by 40%, come down by 50%, again goes by 30%, going all over the places. But except that Adani group of stocks, the markets were more or less resilient. It is just only slow grinding. Just look at yesterday what I told you. People are selling 17,700 short straddle. People are selling 17,800 short straddle. People are selling 18,000 call option. Today you go and check those prices. And all those people who have sold these, they made fantastic profit, a very good profit. And surprisingly, today FIIs were net buyers. That's the first surprise. Second surprise, they have bought for 1,458 crores. And this is the second buy of more than 1,000 crore in last 3 months. Since December series, entire December series, entire January series, and half of the February series, in these 2.5 months, they have been selling almost every day. In between few days they bought for some small quantity. Only on budget day, net buyers for more than 1,000 crore. And today is the second day in the last 2.5 months. Their buy figure is more than 1,000 crore. Whoever wanted to sell, they would have sold already, said they don't have any more shares to sell. I was just looking, how come, these FIIs are buyers in most of the markets, why they kept on selling in our markets. And now who are those people who have sold it, Norway Sovereign Wealth Fund sold $200 million worth of Adani stocks. The total selling in the last 2.5 months, it works out to be about 7-8 billion. So out of the 200 million has come only from one particular entity. So we don't know how many more entities were like this. Broader markets, in fact, today did very well. Mid caps and small caps did extremely well, ended in positive. Broader market did well. The large caps, okay, and today particularly Reliance, ICICI, Infosys all fell. Anyway, on a close to close basis, I think it's a minor loss. So, Europe was down. The US futures are down for second day. US markets bound to be feeling jittery. That's because, Monday their CPI inflation data is there. So, other than that, with the fall that has happened yesterday and today, it's just a normal profit booking in US. With most of the negatives of this Adani saga has already been factored in the markets, and now FII is turning net buyers for more than 1,000 crore, but we don't know whether this is just one-off or going to be a regular feature. We have to wait for 1 or 2 more days to confirm this. So it will be interesting to see how the markets move in the last 2 weeks. Many times I have seen, if throughout the month, if the market is lackluster, the markets make a bigger move in the last week, either upside or it can be downside also. So that we do not know. So definitely we can expect some bigger move towards the end of this expiry. So let us hope that it is on the higher side. And until then, people just keep selling options, and option sellers are making good money. That's because the volatility index, and today the VIX closed below 13, closed around 12.74, and this is a 6 months low. So though markets facing a lot of headwinds like Adani issues, but India VIX keep going down, so that is showing that the downside is limited from here. So anyway, I already told you, if you look at the broader picture, last year low was 15,200 and last year high was 18,900. So from 15,200 to 18,900, the 50% retracement works out to be around 17,000, 17,050 like that. So therefore 17,000 is going to be a very strong support for this market. And now I am trying to maintain a slight positive bias. So I'll just give you one trade which I've taken. I bought 17,500 call option, sold 18,500 call option for April series. So my upper break-even will be 19,500. So although I'm maintaining some bullish view, I don't think that Nifty will be reaching 19,500 by end of April. And I did, I think 1:3, I think, call ratio, but still there was some debit. That to adjust that debit, I sold some put option. So if I've done 1:3, then it may not be 19,500. It may be slightly below that, the break even. It will be 19,000. Yeah. So 19,000 is where the all-time high is there. So it makes sense to create a strategy where you will lose money only if Nifty crosses all-time high, and of course along the way we will be making a lot of adjustments. So yesterday I posted in my Twitter, I gave a strategy in Adani Enterprise. Of course now touching Adani Enterprise is like, touching the fire, and despite that I gave a buy option at 2,000, sell option at 1,500, sell option at 2,500 call option. So 2000 PE buy, 1500 PE sell, double the quantity, 2500 CE sell one quantity, and surprisingly today all three has given profit, and the profit was very good. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.